Before AI search, I sometimes heard from people that they felt like they needed to understand the navigation to find things. And because they didn't understand the navigation, they couldn't find things. And sometimes you did have to know where to look, or you had to know what things were called or how they were categorized. But now you don't. You ask a question, you get an answer, and not just an answer, you get the source, you get the context, and you get who to talk to if you need more detail. I was not expecting that when we first started using AI search, and it's such a cool feature because that's really important, right? It's not about replacing people or replacing human to human interaction. It's just about connecting people to the right knowledge faster and, in a way, connecting them to each other faster. The second example shows something else. Unfortunately, I had to redact pretty much every ounce of information out of the response, but I couldn't resist including this query because I found it illustrates something just so cool. The number of sources that it's pulling from. In this case, what used to require clicking through 20 different pages on the intranet is now condensed into one response. That is a really big shift. When the effort required to access knowledge goes down, usage goes up. And when usage goes up, contribution tends to follow. So, not only that, it also shows how these responses can help teams effortlessly create new training materials, right? Like you could create this one pager now that explains all the different deliverables to a new hire. And you're doing that not by doing more work, but by leveraging the work that you've already done by creating this documentation in the first place.